0. We are live. Idea to live success. Developing a winning workflow. Do you have a workflow to create viral videos? No? Let me take you from idea development to live success. Do you know why is your hard work resulting in 0 views? The why is that most creators treat analytics like a post-mortem. Checking why a video died after the work is already done is not the best way. Here's a new approach. Stop looking backward. Use data as a blueprint for your pipeline before you hit record. Most creators kill their videos before they even upload them. Spending 40 hours editing, they look at a flat line in the analytics and wonder what went wrong. The truth is you are using data to diagnose a death instead of engineering a birth. You need to change your mindset. By the end of this section, you will have a workflow that guarantees every second of your content is backed by your audience demand signal. Take this action now. Open your YouTube studio, go to your content tab, and find your lowest retention video. Keep that tab open. We are going to fix it today. First, let's find out, is your current workflow actually a losing battle? The basic problem is you are drowning in post-production activities, for example, editing, creating B-rolls, because you treat long-form videos, live events, and short videos as 3 different jobs. They are one job, and just to change your mindset. The solution is to apply the idea to live framework. The very one you see right here. This is it. This is what we're going to be talking about today. Moving on. Okay. Efficiency isn't working more hours. It's about changing your pipeline. If you are not slicing your long form videos into multiple weeks engine for shorts, you are losing 80% of your growth on the table. You are losing 80% of your growth now. So you need to change that. I want you to move from content creator to a content engineer. Right? Take this action right now. Commit to a modular mindset. Every 10 minutes of your video must contain 2 self-contained micro stories. Why? This is to facilitate short video creation. Now let's discuss phase 1, which is the foundation. As you can see right here, phase 1 contain these elements. You want to take a picture of this thing so you have it fresh on your mind when we are talking. Ask yourself, do you validate a viral idea before designing the thumbnail? No. The problem we face is this. Creating content based on gut feeling will lead to a high effort but low CTR, click-through rates. The solution is to filter concept through viewer satisfaction signal, aka audience demand, aka your click-through rates, aka your views. Speaking of that, build your deck until the idea is proven. Meaning not build it, but don't build it. Don't create your video until the idea is proven. Use research tool to find where the search value meets high disappointment. That is the gap. If you look at your video and you see a big drop on your retention, that's one place to go. Now, we are going to design 3 to 5 high CTR angle before even opening a PowerPoint, before even creating a video. We're going to create multiple CTR angles or CTR thumbnail or CTR titles before you even open a PowerPoint. Now, you need to draft 3 different titles for your next video's idea. If you will not click on them in a crowded field, scrap that idea and create 3 more until you find the right one. Now, would you like to know why most hooks fail within the first 15 seconds? Well, the hook fails because viewers leave if the promise of the thumbnail was not immediately fulfilled in the script. If you notice on my video, on this presentation, the title and the discussion match literally 1-to-1. If you look here, if you look at the original one, which is this one here, Idea to Life, the winning workflow, it's exactly what we're talking about. So we are meeting the promise that the title and the thumbnail provided to you as a viewer. The solution is a hook story payoff framework. Most people think a hook is just a loud introduction. It is not. It is a bridge. If your analytics shows a cliff at the start, it's because your bridge is broken. Every slice on your deck, every slice on your video should act as a visual exclamation point, not a wall of text, not a wall of just B-line, not a wall of B-rolls. Take this action now to avoid hook failure. Review the last video's first 30 seconds. Did you repeat the title? Did you? Did you create tension? Did you? If you didn't create tension, rewrite it now. Let's move on. I often wonder, can you build a presentation or video that edits itself? We creators understand that post-production takes too long because the raw footage has no structure. The solution is narrative outlining, meaning your plan should be design chapters to function as a standalone shorts. Because when you automatically break in your short or when you're doing it manually, if you do that, it'll be easier for you to do it. For example, imagine finishing a 2-hour stream and having 7 shorts already finished. That's the goal. Structure the presentation in a modular chapter. Each chapter has its own hook, its own value, its own resolution. To win, take this action right now. Group your presentation points into 60-second power block. Now let's move on to phase 2 of the framework. On phase 2, if you look at it, we started here, includes live event and markers. I'm going to talk about that right now. Ask yourself, is your technical setup killing your retention? It's a good answer. It's a good question, right? Because we sometimes have issues with that. Take a look at my face right now. You see how it changed based on, it was probably more distant on lighting, right? So here's the problem that I see. Low quality audio and choppy bite rates signal is unprofessional to the algorithm, triggering a bounce. What is a byte rate? Byte rate is the amount of data used to store or transmit audio and video every second. Think of it like this. High byte rate, more data equals better quality. Lower byte rates equal less data, equal less, smaller size, but lower quality. Video byte rate is measured in kilobytes per second or megabytes per second. Now, what's the solution to fix your technical setup? It is to conduct a technical pre-flight. Check your byte rates, separate your audio tracks, and check your lighting. You can have the best data in the world, but if your mic sounds like a tin can, no one will stay. We need a flawless master recording. This is not a stream. It is a raw material for your entire enterprise. To win, take this action now. Set up your encoder, OBS/Streamlab, to record multiple tracks audio. Mic on track 1, system on track 2. This is non-negotiable for clean editing. Now, learn how do live markers save 10 hours of editing. Right, so if you look at the chart, right, markers is one of the main issues that we're going to talk about, right? I'm going to show you how that's going to save us some time. You may be aware that finding a good part in a 2-hour recording is a manual nightmare. If you ever done that looking for a specific section, it takes forever. But there's a solution, and that is use a Stream Deck or Hotkey to drop markers during the live performance. This is the secret sauce. While you hit a punchline or a major teaching point, drop a marker. Your future self will thank you for it. It will save you so much time. You are not streaming, you are tagging. Your data is real time. Now, to win, do this. Map a key on your keyboard to M for marker. If you're recording in your recording software, hit it every time the energy feels high. That will help you. Moving on. Now, I understand that most creators completely misunderstand the impression metric. They think more is better. But in 15 seconds, 15 minutes, I'm going to show you why high impression can usually be the thing that's killing your channel. Stay tuned to the end for the algorithm trap section. Now moving on to phase 3 of this approach here, streaming to short form extraction. Okay. Have you wondered why your shorts video feel like a leftover? One of the problems is that taking landscape clips and just cropping it usually feels lazy and loses engagement. Your goal is for the instant engagement test to retain clarity within the opening 150 frames. A short is not a shrunken long video. It is a vertical experience. We are going to use aggressive trimming, remove every every pause, every breath. In the first 2 seconds, don't slap the viewer in the face with value. They are gone forever. To win, import your master file and jump straight to your marker and ignore everything else. Now, do you know what the dynamic caption actually doubles your watch time? Why will caption help you? Why caption versus not caption? If you have the option, listen to this. Research shows that 70% of viewers watch mobile content on mute. They might be on the train, they might be on the bus, they might be on the car, there will be other people around them. For that reason, 70% of the viewers watch mobile content on mute. The solution is to use high retention vertical formatting with graphical overlay and lower third caption. Captions are not just for accessibility. They are for pacing. You need to use bold, high contrast text that moves. If the eyes are moving, the brain is staying. If the eyes are not moving, the brain falls asleep and the viewers will be gone. Take this action right now. Use AI caption tools or manual keyframe to ensure your text appear as you say it, not afterwards. Let's move on to phase 4, the reach, short form distribution, and SEO. I want to know from you, is your SEO stuck in 2015? Because this is the issue. Keyword stuffing and heavy tag arrays are now ignored by the semantic algorithm. Therefore, the solution is to use advanced discovery SEO, meaning clean, comma-separated metadata. Drop me a comment on the comment section if you want to know more about what that is. Those are the scripted, curiosity-driven titles and clean, comma-separated metadata. Stop writing for robots and start writing for humans that robots watch. For subscription, you should have a roadmap of semantics keywords. We are going to align with modern indexing standard by making our metadata scannable. Do this. Write or rewrite your content. Write or rewrite your current video description. Replace the wall hashtag with 3 to 5 sentences of high value, keywords, rich content. And for example, I wonder if I could show you this. If you give me a second, if you're patient, this might be worth it. Let me go here. And let me add I don't see it. I'm gonna go to entire fragment. If you could see this right here, these are the tags, right? And you will put this under the tag section and on the description section, right? So these are, each one will be separated by a comma. And the way that I have it structured basically is you have, mine are rated, right? Like they have rating. If you see here, this one is 72, this one is 65. The yellow one here is 57. These are lower rating tags, right? So that's a new approach to go ahead and instead of using hashtag, you're gonna use high value keyword rich content, right? Like I just showed it to you. Now, take a look. Does your thumbnail architecture pass the glance test? And once again, I'm going to go and show you for example, I created multiple um, thumbnail for the video that I'm working on right now for this live presentation. And I chose number 3 because if you kind of squint your eye a little bit and try to determine which one is best for what you're doing, I just thought that was the one that attracted my attention the most and kind of bring forward the idea that I was trying to present. So that is my story, right? So to me, the one that I chose passed at a glance, passed the squint test, right? So Master YouTube are claiming that overcrowded thumbnail confuses the viewer's brain, leading to a no-click, meaning if you have too much information in your thumbnail, people will just pass. They will just move on, and they will not even click on your video and your video. So therefore, your click-through will be very low. So the solution is to create thumbnail with a bold typographical 3 words or less, for example, idea to live, plus a high resolution focal point. You have 0.2 seconds to win the click. If they have to read your thumbnail, you have already lost them. It should be a visual gut punch. To win the next click, take this action. Look at your thumbnail on the phone, a screen from 3 feet away. Can you still tell what the video is about? If not, simplify it. Make it simpler. Now, here's the reason your video stopped getting pushed. Would you like to know that? The reason is called the algorithm trap, which is reaching the wrong audience too fast. The solution is to monitor the 24-hour retention curve to optimize the next production. That's why you want to schedule your video at least 24 hours ahead to give you an opportunity to place your tags, to look at your title, to look at your thumbnail, to be able to do A/B testing, and to be able to schedule it so that when you're ready, not the minute that it comes up and is posted. YouTube tests video with a seed audience. If they bounce, the impression stop. That's why your video died. It is not a shadow ban like people have been telling. It is a lack of resonance. It's a lack of your viewer liking your video. It's a lack of your subscriber just completely passing on your video. We use the retention curve to see exactly where the divorce happened. Like I said before, if you open your lowest the video with the lowest view, if you look at your retention curve, you will see exactly where the divorce happened between you and the viewer. That's what you got to do. If in the first 10 seconds you're losing your viewer, you got to fix that. Now, to fix the problem, take this action. Check your typical performance graph. Find the exact second the line dips below the gray area. What did you say on that moment? If you remember, you play it back until you find out. And then this is the key. Never say that again. Never say it again. Okay, let's move on. This is how to stop being a slave to the upload. Burnout happens when the efforts to result ratio is broken. Lots of effort, but you're not getting anywhere, right? That's what it means. Therefore, understand and leverage your content. 1 hour of data first planning is equal to 100 hours of gross of guessing work results, right? So look at your analytics, plan your work, look at viral video, plan your work, and then after you have to collect all the data, you won't be guessing. You will have some data that will help you understand what you're doing. Growth is not about working harder. It's about engineering attention. The data tells the story of your audience. Your job is to write the next chapter. Stop guessing, start measuring, and start winning. Now take this action. Schedule your next discovery section before you touch the camera and spend 2 hours on the foundation phase. Right? The foundation phase, as you see here, you have to do your work. You have to do SEO search to validate your data. You have to outline your script. You have to validate your core concept, and you have to look for keywords to validate scripting and deck design. So that's what you have to do. That's your foundation. That's your research area right here. That's what you need to do before touching your camera. The creator who dominates the next decade will not be the one with the best camera. They are the one with the best system, with the best foundation, with the best workflow. Now, if this framework here helped you to find the missing link in your pipeline, this framework at all help you in any way, shape, or form, as we show here, I want you to hit the subscribe button. We are on a mission to build this channel to support and feed our veterans. Your subs makes a real world of difference. Now, we know YouTube loves subscribers. I guess we love subscribers. But you know what YouTube really loves? Engagement. And here's a question for you. What is the one metric in your YouTube studio that confuses you the most? Drop me a comment and let's decode it together. Now, after this, watch my video on success, beat the algorithm, make more money, and avoid burnout, because he explained the psychological triggers of how to make more money and avoid burnout. I'll see you in the next video. Out.